Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia Barrock, and today I'm going to talk about Draftkings stock price prediction. Before I start guys, make sure you subscribe to my free Discord chat. It is free and great way to connect with other traders and network with other traders. I'm going to post the link just below in the description. Make sure you take advantage. I'm going to discuss first of all the technical analysis of the chart, and then I'm going to go through some fundamental facts, and we're going to see what potential this stock has. Let's take a look at the chart now. As we see here, DKNG has a very nice uptrending chart. We see higher highs, higher lows. We see a bit of consolidation here. We're always holding the previous lows, support areas here. We're holding 200 moving average, which is of course great thing to see if you are longing a stock. This is exactly what you want to see if you want to buy a stock. Uptrending chart with higher highs and higher lows. It went high here, made recently actually a new all-time high, and I'm going to zoom that for you just to see how it looks like. We see this all-time high, which is 74.38. After that, the stock pulled back, and we see here this is a very nice support area here. Why is it a nice and important support area? Because we see a couple of times this stock tested this area here, pull back of this resistance, which is the 55 area, pulled back down, came here into that resistance again, and made a nice doji candle here, pulled back again, consolidated here for a little while, and it finally broke out here. After this breakout, we see another pullback into this support area. So you see this area acts here as a magnet, guys. This is the 55 area. The stock came back, tested this area again, made a very nice reversal doji candle, which is always a very nice signal and indicator which I'm using in order to get into some stocks around support areas. After that, we see another high and another pullback. So this support area is tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times here, and now it is almost at the 6th time. So it is never picture perfect and never exact. Sometimes the stock tests just the area and not the exact number, but as you can see, we were here around this area and now we're consolidating here. So I think the risk reward on this setup is very nice. We have higher highs, higher lows, nice uptrending chart. Of course, we also know Cathie Woods is in this stock as well, so this is also something to keep in mind if you're following her and if you want to know which stocks she's invested in. Definitely this is one of her stocks in her portfolio. And also I like the fact, like I mentioned, that we have very nice uptrending strong looking chart with strong momentum. On the hourly chart, we see here a little bit better the trends. We see this rejection here of 74, and we see how this area or resistance area is being rejected a couple of times. We see here, of course, on this smaller time frame, lower lows, lower highs, downtrending stocks. So we are still on the hourly chart in this downtrend, and we first need to break this downtrend in order to start looking for some setups. So I personally am looking sometimes also at the hourly chart. It might be interesting for you too if you're looking at the overall stock, also to drill down and see how the price action looks like on a lower time frame. For those of you who don't know what Draftkings is doing, Draftkings is a digital sports entertainment and gaming company, and it has a lot of potential to grow in my personal opinion, but we're going to see also some of the fundamentals which don't look very well. If we check out the profitability of the company, we see here that the profitability ratio for DKNG is negative. So there is not much to analyze this stock, and we also see that return on assets of minus 24.55 is worse than the rest of the industry. We see also here the valuation of the company and the growth of the company. Both of those does not look very good. So regarding to growth, we're looking at the last year. DKNG shows a very strong growth in revenue, and the revenue has grown by 90%, which is of course very nice, but the earnings per share for DKNG have decreased strongly by minus 257.31%. So this is a lot of decreasement, and I personally, when I'm trading growth stocks, I want to see increasing earnings per share quarter after quarter, year after year. I want to see accelerating earnings per share. I want to see more and more sales. I want to see more funds buying the stock. So we don't see any of this with VKNG, and we also don't see like we're seeing here on this chart that it has good profitability or valuation, which makes the stock which makes the stock weak, and it doesn't fit into my criteria to enter it. The only thing what I really like in this stock is first of all the chart, like I mentioned, very clean looking uptrending chart, and I also like the fact that it is in the gaming industry, which has some potential in my opinion, especially now with that coronavirus. Also, when analyzing those stocks, I'm looking at the overall market, and we see here a very nice uptrend on the S&P 500. As we see here, we broke today to new all-time highs. Nice uptrend here, small pullbacks, another nice reversal candle, couple of green candles here. So this is exactly what I want to see when I am longing a stock, that the whole market is with me. I don't want to long a stock when the whole market is in a downtrend or in a very choppy mode. Similar situation with Nasdaq here. Nasdaq was a little bit weak, of course. We saw here this kind of the weakness. All those growth stocks were beaten down, but now it finally made it to break out of this range and recover. And also compared to this pullback, DKNG has been pretty strong, so relative strong compared to the indices. That's why I think it is a very nice looking chart. If you are only pure a technical trader who is looking for nice technical setups, I think you will find a setup there. If you're looking into the fundamentals or want to hold something for long term and don't like it, I think there are better opportunities out there. For me personally, I'm looking for a combination on both, and because I don't like the current fundamentals on the company, I'm going to stay away of this stock for now. Only if I see something on the chart which looks very picture perfect and nice, I might start thinking of entering this stock. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new from this video. Leave me a comment. What do you think about DKNG? And also feel free to join my chat. Like I mentioned, I'm every day there, and I will be happy to chat with you there. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.